People are making money every day by just clicking boxes. And by clicking boxes, I literally mean it. All you have to do is to press a button on your mouse. If you think I'm talking about making some cents per day, you are in for a surprise, as I'm referring to the thousands of dollars you can earn daily for free. Now, how can you do it? This is the real question. Don't worry, this is what I'm gonna be sharing in this video with you. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the future videos we plan to post. What you have to do to get started is simply just go to the site GPT Planet. This free-to-use site pays you real money for completing some very simple tasks. It can be accessed from anywhere worldwide, and all the countries support it. This means that no matter where you are in some African country or a far-off corner of America, you can still make money in this way. Also, there is no problem when you are withdrawing your money as well. This site supports many withdrawal methods like Skrill, Payeer, and PayPal, allowing you to receive your earnings very quickly and easily. In addition to, the minimum limit for withdrawal is $1, so you can take out your money whenever you want without any problems. The first step is making an account on this site. The registration is fairly easy, and by just entering a little of your information, you can sign up for a free account. You must visit the homepage and click the register button at the top. This will redirect you to the sign up page, where you have to enter your name, email, date of birth, and account details where you want your money to be sent. Agree to their terms and click register to get done. Once you have the account you have just made, you can go straight to making money. All you have to do now is click and then click again. Let me explain to you how the whole process will work out for you. You have to click on some boxes on your screen, which will open some advertisements. These advertisements are what will pay you. You can get up to some cents for each click you do. You may think this is not much money, but before leaving the video disappointed, let me tell you this. 1 cent per click may not be much in your eyes right now, but it sure becomes a lot when you can do thousands of clicks per day, making you hundreds of dollars every day. And that too, when the whole process is automatic, and you wouldn't have to do anything at all. In addition, you can also use the referral program, and with each referral, you can gain a decent amount of money. You just have to send the link once and your passive income is boosted significantly in this very way. When you log into your account, you'll see a lot of different offers. There are actually multiple advertisement companies looking to hire you for your clicks. Examples of companies include PTC Share, Goldux, Rotate4, and thousands more. You can choose any one of the companies you like, but if you ask for my opinion, I would most probably advise you to join Paidverts, as it is one of, if not the best paying company you can probably choose from the list. If you want another option, go for Scarlet Clicks, as it is a very old website and is very famous, signaling its legitimacy. Now that you have selected the website that you want to work with, which would probably be any of the two I mentioned, the next step is this. Just click it and they will show you a picture. This is a picture like you would very often see in reCAPTCHAs. It is a picture comprising many little boxes that join together to form the full picture. You have just to click any of these boxes, and as soon as you do this, an ad will open up on your screen in a different tab, and you will get paid 1 cent. Let me show you how you can save yourself from tiring and multiply your income exponentially. Do this using the method I'm gonna show you next. When you hover your mouse over to any box, you can see that each box has a number appearing at the bottom of the image. It is the address of that box in the picture. It is shown in the number cross number form. You can just move to the last box and multiply the numbers it shows. This will tell you the total money you can make if you click all the boxes. The total money will be sent to your account when you have clicked on all of the boxes. But this won't be the only thing you will be getting. They will also unlock some bonus offers for you. The bonuses are also very simple to avail and are tasks like clicking or installing some programs. However, the money they pay is quite decent and usually is in dollars and not in cents. You get multiple bonuses after completing each offer and can easily manage to complete tens of offers in a single day. What this will do is that in addition to the $5 you would get for each clicking on every box of a picture, you will also get hundreds of dollars extra in just bonuses. How sweet is that? I suppose you can easily do the clicking part and even watch the ads to earn money. But what if you get tired of doing the same thing over and over again? This is when the next tip I will give you will come into play. It is now the time to automate the process. We are going to use a program called a mouse clicker. Visit the site freemouseclicker.com. On the site, you would see the option to download the software to your computer. It would be on default settings once you have downloaded it, but you can change the settings anytime. As the image appears at the same location every time on the GTP Planet, you can set the mouse cursor to that particular location and then set the time for clicking. It would click the image itself repeatedly and open up all the ads. You just have to wait and watch. Once it's done, you can come back to collect your money. Many people are using this method to earn very decent money. Right now, this software is available to download for free and has not been declared illegal. Once the companies discover it, they may try to remove it. So, hurry up and download it while you still have the chance. You can't say for sure how long it will remain like this. The last tip I have for you is to use Clicky Pay. It is another website that pays you for just clicking with your mouse. For every 30 seconds you click, you can earn around $2.50, meaning you will make $5 in just a minute. You can earn as much as you want daily, and there is no cap on the money you can very possibly make with this site, so go ahead and visit the site. If you like it, start clicking and earning money easily. This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you have understood whatever I've taught you in this video. Now, you can also start making money by just clicking boxes, or if you don't want even to do that, use the free mouse clicker I just showed you. Or you can use a mouse clicker on GPT Planet and click on Clicky Pay by yourself. This will double your everyday income and hopefully better your life. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, tell us your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!